Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Crafty Saturday. I'm Michelle with MakingMemoriesWithMichelle.com, and I'm so glad you could join me today. I'm going to hang out here for a little bit and see who joins me. So if you are there, just give me a shout out and tell me what the weather is like at your house today. It is raining and very windy here, but as far as the big hurricane, we have lucked out with just a tropical storm. Good morning, Janine. Good to see you this morning. We are having just light winds. I don't think it's anything more here than what we would normally get in a maybe like a winter storm here. So my friends down south aren't so fortunate. I haven't heard yet from Janice or Crystal. I know that their roof caved in last night, so I'm pretty worried about them, and I hope to hear from them soon. I sent a text this morning, but I haven't heard from them yet. Where am I close to in North Carolina? I am in Chapel Hill, so in the Raleigh-Durham area. Good morning, Michelle. Just cloudy in Virginia Beach. That's good. That's good. Sunny and cool in Indiana. Oh, that sounds great. I love a nice sunny, cool fall day. They're my favorite kind. So this morning, if you would leave me a comment below, and especially if you share my video today, I'm going to pick somebody on Monday to send them a very special card. Maybe you'll get the one we're going to make today. So be sure to share my video. Just a quick update. I know some of you are interested in how I'm progressing with my trip to Greece. I am now less than $50 orders before my I qualify for that trip to Greece. So today we are working with this bundle. This is going to be my product of the week this week. This is the Falling for Leaves bundle, and it includes this pretty Falling for Leaves stamp set. This is the whole reason I got this. I love this stamp. And the Detailed Leaves Thinlit dies. So this week I'm going to showcase several different projects that you can make using that bundle in the holiday catalog. But today I chose to use the Nature's Poem paper and one of the little brass trinkets, and this is a sentiment from the Falling for Leaves stamp set. And here's the stamp set. It says, "Thinking of you with a grateful heart." And I think that that right now is just a perfect sentiment. Oh, I just saw that Janice posted over in my retreat group, so good to know that she is up and online this morning, so I hope to hear from her soon. Maybe she's going to pop on and watch. So this card has an interesting angle, but it's not hard to do. So let me show you how to do that. Remember, all measurements are going to be over on my blog this morning. Well, it might be over there this afternoon. So I have a piece of Whisper White cardstock. This is the thick Whisper White cardstock, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5 and scored at 4 1/4. That is a typical A2 card. Okay, so that gives us our card base. Then I have a piece of the Nature's Poem paper, and I like the Grapefruit Grove and the Blackberry Bliss pattern on here. And this is a piece of Blackberry Bliss as well. And this is cut at 5 by 4 1/4. Okay, so if I were going to put that on a card that way, it would make a nice frame. Excuse me. Oh, so sorry. But today, we're going to take this. I'm going to move my piercing mat out of the way. Oh, all right. So I just heard from Janice. I misunderstood. The roof did not collapse, just the ceiling in the bedroom. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm happy to hear that. 2 other ceilings are in jeopardy of falling from where the rain and the wind ripped it off. Okay, well that's good to know. So, sorry, I'm going to come back to you now. I just saw that message and I thought all of my friends needed to know that they were safe. So we're going to take this piece of paper, and if you look on the back, you see it overhangs, right? We're going to take this piece of Blackberry Bliss and we're going to angle it. I want to make sure that I've covered both of my corners up here. Okay, and then here's my fast fuse. I know fast fuse is gone and I'm sorry, but I keep it on my craft table. And I am just going to add some adhesive behind it. Okay, and I'm just lifting up the paper. And you can do the same with snail. I don't know that I would use Tombow because it moves around a lot. Okay, and so now I have this at this angle, and I can take my paper snips and just cut a straight line right up the edge. And then trim all your edges. You could use your paper trimmer for this, but you know, I prefer just to use my snips. Wow, that flew, you should have been here. That flew clear across my table. Okay, and I'll just got a little piece there. Okay, move that out of the way. Now I have my Blackberry Bliss and Grapefruit Grove leaves, and we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to lay it right on top of here at an angle. Okay, and then take your adhesive again. And come around. And then repeat. Can you hear the wind? It's kind of shaking the windows. It's not hard, it's just noisy. Okay, and then if you need to, you can go back in and just trim. Okay, then I have my stamp. This is what I used my piercing mat for. Ooh, air conditioner came on. Blackberry Bliss. And put this right down here in the right hand corner. And we're going to finish this off with these leaf trinkets that are in the annual catalog. And I love these. You know, they're flat, so they make them they're really good for mailing because you don't have to worry about all that big bulkiness. You might want to use 2 glue dots on here. It's kind of heavy, but again, it doesn't add any bulk to your card. So I'll just go back. I have a little blip there. Is that that's a technical crafting term, by the way. Okay, there, that's better. So now we've used this designer series paper in a whole new angle, and I kind of like that, right? It adds just a little bit, makes that card look really big too. So give it a try. It's not difficult, it's a lot of fun. It adds some new dimension to your card making, and I would love to see what you make. So if you can, go ahead and post it below when you're all finished. Okay, I'll give you a little homework this weekend when you hit your craft room. So please be sure to share my video with everyone, and I look forward to crafting with you next weekend. Oh my goodness, next Saturday. So next Saturday is my retreat in the mountains, and if I have internet up there, we will certainly do a live broadcast from the retreat. I know everybody would like to say hi, and you can see what we're all working on. But if not, I will see you in 2 weeks. All right? Have a great weekend. Be safe, be happy, and happy stamping. Bye.